My name is Revel Wilson, and I'm the foreman in the back half of the yard here. My stepdad runs this place. He came and got me, asked me if I wanted to be a foreman and a welder. I've been here a little over a year now, but most of the people working here, they've been here about 4 to 9 years. The longest employee is 9 years. I run the loader pretty much all day, just moving heavy as shit all day. There ain't nothing better than tearing up cars, metal, just tearing stuff up all day. So anybody that needs to get rid of metal or anything like appliances or stuff like that, they'll come out here. We'll separate it from tin, long iron, aluminum, stainless. We gotta separate it all. And once we get it separated, we can figure out how we're gonna sell it. If we're gonna have to bale it in the baler, if we're gonna have to load it in boxes on a box truck, or short iron, they come in big old dump trucks and we just load it right in there. So right now we have 2 magnets, 3 loaders, 1 baler, and then we have 2 grapples, and then we'll have a 3rd grapple coming in later in the month. Oh, this year is going to be amazing for this process. This will clean the whole yard for us. I'm super excited about it. Oh, it's a brand new toy. This ain't nothing funner than this.
How'd you get the easy one?
We're gonna clean up this pile. That pile back there is all gonna be gone. It's all long iron, and it's just gonna help our company out so much with this new machine.